Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards in the AMD B550 chipset category, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision for your next PC build. Whether you're looking for a compact solution or a full-sized powerhouse, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 features a micro ATX form factor, making it ideal for compact builds. This is perfect for users who want to save space without compromising on performance. On the other hand, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 is a full ATX motherboard, offering more expansion slots and connectivity options. This larger size allows for greater flexibility in building a high-performance gaming rig, but it requires a bigger case. Depending on your needs, you may prefer one form factor over the other. When it comes to connectivity, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 stands out with its built-in Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring fast wireless connectivity for modern setups. In contrast, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 lacks integrated Wi-Fi, which may be a drawback for users who prefer a wireless connection. Both motherboards offer a good selection of ports, but if wireless connectivity is important to you, the ASUS board has a clear advantage. Another critical aspect to consider is PCIe support. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 supports PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer rates and improved performance with compatible components. Meanwhile, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 only supports PCIe 3.0, which, while still effective, may not provide the same level of performance for the latest GPUs and SSDs. If you're looking to future-proof your build, the ASUS motherboard offers a significant advantage here. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 offer great value for their price points. The ASUS board is perfect for compact builds with its micro ATX form factor and Wi-Fi 6 support, while the MSI board is ideal for users who need more expandability and robust power delivery. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.